You can see that the size of this image is rather big, 6.3 megabytes. We want to reduce this. Just open the image with Paint. Now click this button Resize. Let's try to reduce the size by percentage. Just type, for example, 50%. And make sure to have this Maintain Aspect Ratio enabled. If I click OK and save it, you can see that now the image is smaller. If you have a specific size in your mind, you can reduce the size by changing pixels. For example, if we change this vertical size to be 500, you will see that the image size is further reduced. And this is how to reduce image file size with Paint. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.